You ever scroll through your bank account and feel like no matter what you do, money just disappears? Like you worked 50 hours last week and somehow you're still broke by Wednesday? Look, I get it. I've been there. And honestly, it's not just you, it's the system. We're trained to spend first, save later, or worse, spend everything and hope for a miracle. Here's the thing, most people think building wealth takes hundreds of thousands or some secret trick you'll never hear about. And yeah, some of it is luck. But here's a little secret, it doesn't have to be complicated. You can start small, really small, like $100 small. Sounds crazy, right? $100 turning into $100,000 in 5 years? Um, yeah, it's possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how step by step, so stick with me. First, let's talk about why this works. Most people underestimate the power of compounding. It's like planting a tiny seed and watching it grow into a massive tree without doing anything else. And not the slow, boring kind of growth. You want the kind that explodes, almost like your money is on steroids. Here's a crazy fact. If you invested $100 every single week into an account that grows 15% a year, in 5 years, you'd have over $100,000. Yeah, 15% sounds high, but hear me out. The stock market historically averages around 10 to 12%. And if you pick smart ETFs, some sectors, or even reinvest dividends, hitting 15% isn't impossible. Now, let me break this down in a way that actually makes sense. Imagine your $100 is a little robot. Every week you feed it, and it starts building more robots. By the end of 5 years, you've got an army. Not literally, but you get the point. The money multiplies on its own. And the best part, you barely notice it at first. That's the beauty of compounding. It sneaks up on you. But here's where most people fail consistency. They start strong, buy one ETF, or stash $100 somewhere. Then life happens unexpected bills, temptation to treat yourself, or just thinking, hey, it's only $100. And guess what? That's exactly why 80% of people never build real wealth. They let momentum die. So, how do you actually make it work? Step one, automate everything. Seriously, set up an automatic transfer every week, $100 straight into your investment account. You won't miss what you don't see, and your robot army keeps building. Step two, choose growth, not hype. Don't chase the next crypto or meme stock. Pick ETFs, index funds, or solid growth stocks. Step three, reinvest dividends. Let your money make money on top of money. Here's the kicker most people don't get $100 is just the starting line. Once you see compounding in action, it's addictive. That's when you start asking, wait, what if I doubled this or tripled it? And suddenly your financial future isn't scary anymore. It's exciting. Let's talk mindset for a second. Most of us are trained to think wealth is about luck, about big wins, or about connections. But real wealth, it's boring. It's consistent, it's strategic, and it's invisible at first. You don't get a flash Lamborghini in year one. You get the confidence, the system, the army building in the background, and that's way more powerful. So here's my challenge for you. Start today. Open that account, set up that $100 weekly transfer, and don't think about the end game yet. Focus on showing up. The math is on your side. The system is in your favor if you actually commit. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Every day you wait, you're leaving money on the table. And not just a little, you're leaving tens of thousands on the table over 5 years. I don't want that for you. You can do this. You're capable. And it doesn't take a miracle, just $100, a little patience, and a system that works while you live your life. Remember, small actions compound into massive results. Your future self will thank you. And if you start today, by 5 years from now, you could be looking at $100,000 or more without even realizing how fast it snuck up on you. So, what are you waiting for? Open that account, set up your $100 trick, start your money army, and watch what happens when consistency and compounding finally start working for you. Because here's the deal, nobody else is going to do it for you. But you can. And it starts with a single $100 decision today.